Welcome back. We have a Steam Deck today for repair, and this is a pretty straightforward, simple repair. We're going to get right to it. I just want to make a simple video here because this is a common issue, especially when the devices are dropped. Nintendo Switches, I've gotten a few 3DS consoles, handhelds that have this similar issue. The issue is what you see in the video there. It is a bumper button or a stick clicker here, a button. And this is common. Sometimes they fall off, sometimes they get desoldered. This is one of those where we have to pay close attention. If not, we can miss it. The bumper's not working at all. So upon disassembly, I went ahead. It's clicking fine. But if you pay close attention, you can see, and I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see that. If you guys can see the connector is desoldered. I'm going to move it. Can you see that? Maybe that's a little better. For some reason it's a little dark. Anyways, if you guys pay close attention, we're going to have to simply solder it back in place. We're going to have to create a little bridge here because the connector is completely ripped off the pad. But it's no big deal because we can scrape this area here. And make it work. So what I would do is simply scrape some of this masking off. Carefully, of course, like always. We can use that for, we'll add a little trace or jumper wire or anything that works. And the other ones, as you can see, they're desoldered. My guess is that this Steam Deck fell on its side and it hit the bumper button, and upon impact it just kind of got loose. See that? So it's not a hard repair. Just got to know what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and fix this real fast. Let's apply some flux. I got some new flux today. This is a flux by this company. A Devo, whichever that is. I'm trying new things just to see how they work for these repairs. This one's pretty good actually. It's the same as the Antec that I was using before. But this one seems a little more sticky, more, I guess it's a little more like viscosity-wise, it's a little thicker. As long as it works, I'm fine. So let's go ahead and fix this right away. We will start by adding some solder here to this point. And since we're at it, might as well solder the other points. On Nintendo Switches, sometimes we have to replace this completely. Luckily, that's not the case here. It's a straightforward repair. We're going to make it real nice and put enough solder there so that it works good. All right, that looks good. Now to close that bridge, let's just use some wire here. We are going to use some very thin wire. Like that. Now we just cut it off. And that's it, guys. Clean it up a little bit with some alcohol and some Q-tips. There we go, we can finally test it. Perfect. All right. So we are going to assemble it, put it back together, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys again soon.